Hey everybody, I'm Justin with CBI Off-Road. Today we are installing a bed rack on this Chevy Colorado ZR2. We'll walk you through the installation process. Let's dive in. All right, so first step, we're gonna get all our tools and our hardware sorted out. I love working on tailgates. It makes a great space just to get everything organized and keep it close by as you're working in the bed. So definitely recommend taking your time doing your prep. Tools you'll need: a 3/16 Allen, 9/16 socket, 1/2 inch wrench, and 9/16 inch wrench. That should do most everything you need. We don't have the lighting in this bed. If you do have that, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver as well. This hardware, these are to hold our crossbars, these bolts here, and we have the associated nuts to go with that, and washers. Those are for our crossbars. These hold the mounting channels to the bed, so we have those and associated washers, and then our shim pieces and the clamp brackets. So this hardware we won't need. Like I said, this is for if you have lighting in your bed, you'll need this. So we'll go ahead and dive in and try to get these clamped up. All right, so we're here in the bed. We have our passenger side part of the bed rack, and we have one of our shims and the bracket clamp. So how this is gonna go is obviously the bed rack's gonna sit up here. This shim will go underneath the plastic liner, be kind of held in place there. This piece will go on the back side of that channel, and then we'll use 2 bolts to go through these holes and capture behind this clamp. And we'll install it loosely, front and back, and then we'll go to the other side and get everything installed loosely, and then get the cross pieces in. But we'll go ahead and get these going loosely. Okay, so now that we got both sides installed loosely, we're gonna go ahead and get our crossbars in. So once we get the front and the back crossbar in and bolts hand tight, then we can tighten up our side rails on both sides and get those tight. Then we'll come back and tighten everything on top and be good to go. All right, guys, that sums up our install tutorial on this bed rack for the Chevy Colorado. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Thank you.